pull these thingies out. Clean them, pull that out, blow it out, put it back together, turn it on, and it should work. I think they're igniters. I don't know the technical term. Let's find out. Well, not coming out. Moving at all. Well, come on. There's no way. Do I gotta take those out in the back? I gotta get a flashlight. Man. Whatever you do, don't block your tankless water heater like me. This is not going good. So this is my current situation. Awesome. Tankless water heater. Let me show you what's going on. Side note, if you do this and you're blowing it out, wear a mask. I'm gonna be coughing the rest of the night. I'm not gonna rip it all apart again, but there's 5 or 6 screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that whole unit has to come off. You have to disconnect those. Take that plate off. Slide that out, and then there's some little igniters that you need to clean. You can probably put those back in, and you're good to go. But there's also like a little tube bundle radiator thing that sits back in here. You have to slide that out once you get all this off. I don't think you have to take off all those black screws, but I did. So I took this plate off, then I took off like the orifice plate behind it. Okay, are you with me? So once you get that plate off, or both of them, however you want to do it, you got to disconnect a couple ties that are holding things back, the wiring. Slide out that box, but before you can slide out the box that's behind this, there's a Phillips on the kind of on the inside, and you're going to need a deep Phillips screwdriver. Magnetic tip so you don't drop them down in that motor right there. Anyways, also shut off your gas, okay? Just in case. Then you're also going to want to, unplug it. I guess you could turn off the water too if you wanted to, but that's it. Like we still got flameage. I'm gonna go check the sink, make sure we still got hot water. I mean, I know I got hot water because I feel it, but let me show you. Someone told me that I need to do this. See? Gas is burning. We're good. I do have 4 bolts left over, but that's for the cover plate. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's these plastic clips right here. So you got to pop those off before you can get to the screws. Because I didn't see any of that in the other video. Anyways, that's what I want to be working on. This is what I want to be working on. Finish me, dummy. But no. Tankless water heater went out. And yeah, I know, it's leaning. That's full of water. That needs to get replaced. Don't judge me.